This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Settings and tap Cellular. You need to confirm the active ESIM label so you remove the right line. Once there, scan the list for the ESIM profile name. Make sure you can identify the physical SIM versus ESIM by label and data usage. If the ESIM is your only line, pause and make a backup of contacts and messages. This prevents accidental loss. Once identified, tap the ESIM profile to reveal detailed controls and next removal options. Now you remove the plan. After opening the ESIM details, choose Remove Cellular Plan and follow the on-screen confirmation prompts. You tap Delete or Remove. This wipes the ESIM profile from the iPhone's secure element. Once removed, the iPhone no longer connects using that virtual SIM. This is why you backed up first. If the carrier uses device-side activation, you may need to contact them to reissue a QR or activation code. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected if carrier steps require online activation pages. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure the system clears the removed ESIM and updates status. After reboot, check Settings Cellular to confirm the plan no longer appears and verify cellular connectivity on remaining lines. If the ESIM still shows or service behaves oddly, reset network settings to refresh profiles. This resets Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready. If problems persist, contact your carrier and request they deprovision the ESIM on their end, while you provide the device IMEI or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.